Chris back with another video. Search me up on YouTube and Instagram at shave_and_chat. I'm here once again for the Razor Company, and I'm excited to do another great shave. Stay tuned. So the soap we're going with today is from Gentleman's Nod, Juniper Reverie, and I apologize if I'm mispronouncing that. I tend to do that a lot. I'll be lathering with the always dependable Razor Company Synthetic Knot. These are great brushes. If you don't want to break the bank, but you want a good synthetic knot, I highly recommend the Razor Companies. Check them out. They got a whole bunch of knots there besides just their own. And I'm actually going back with a razor that I used quite a bit when I first got into wet shaving, and that is the Henson AL13 Plus. Or mild. Now Henson has three different levels. They have the plus, they have the plus plus, and they have the plus plus plus. So the plus is the mild, the plus plus is the medium, the plus 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 is the aggressive razors. Now to know which razor you have, when you open it up, it will tell you in the top corner. So if you see one plus, you have mild. If you see two pluses, you have the medium. And then if you see three pluses, you have the aggressive razor. I'll be using the Gillette Silver Blue blade. These are always beautiful blades. And then one thing I use from time to time, but I don't use it that often, feeling the urge to use it today, is the Nivea Aftershave Balm. Now guys, one thing I've also been getting into quite a bit, that's fragrances. In my hometown, at one point, we had 2 or maybe 3 drugstores, if you will, that would have fragrances within it. Or if you wanted to buy online, of course you could. But we actually have a designated fragrance store. I'm probably pronouncing this incorrect, but it's Aurora Fragrances. Again, I'm probably mispronouncing that. So for my scent of the day, I'm going in with Vault Men EDP by Amaran. I have a lot of words today I don't think I'm pronouncing properly. Let's get on with the shave. As per usual, let's get the shave started with my Leaf pre-shave oil. So leave a comment down below. What's the razor you used when you first got into wet shaving? Maybe you used a razor that I still haven't heard of today, and I might want to give that a try. Leave a comment down below. Oh, this smells so fresh. Definitely some sort of citrus within this soap. Oh, it is so good. Gentleman's Nod, their soaps are out of this world. The scents that you get from them are crazy good. To me, they're like a luxury fragrance. Highly recommend them. And you can pick up the soap I'm using today at the Razor Company. Over the last little bit, I have been loading my synthetic brushes dry. It's been keeping my soap and my tubs dry. I don't have to worry about all the water and all that other fun stuff. And I've been really enjoying it. Okay, so let's go in with the Henson AL13 Plus, aka mild, for the first pass with the grain. I remember why I loved using this so much. Believe it or not, the very first time I used this razor, yes, it's a mild. Yes, it's not aggressive whatsoever, now that I say that today. But keep in mind, any razor you use, you need to be mindful of it. The very first time I put this razor to my skin, I cut myself. So if you're new and you're watching this, yes, this is a very mild razor. Please just be careful because you could cut yourself with a mild razor. I learned from it, that's for sure. And I've never had an issue with this ever since. First pass is done. That felt fantastic. Another thing that I do love about the Henson, and by the way, you can pick up a Henson at the razor company as well. I'll leave their website down below somewhere so you can check them out if you have some free time. The Henson is almost designed, if you don't have that right angle, it's not gonna cut. There was just a few times where I had to like kind of adjust it to get that right cut. And obviously, if you don't hear the cutting happening, you're not shaving. Keep that in mind. Oh man, this stuff smells so good. Second pass with the Henson AL13 Mild across the grain. Second pass is done. I'm gonna go in for that third pass. I can get it smoother than what it is right now. Let's get on with that third pass. All right, third pass, Henson AL13 Plus, AKA Mild against the grain. That was much better. Let's wash off the rest of the soap and finish off the rest of the save and video. Trusty Parker's Allen block. So as I was just mentioning, be careful even if it's a mild razor. I felt a little tiny bite right here in the center of my neck. And honestly, that happened to me in my last shave. I thought I reopened it, but I don't think so fully. But guys, you gotta be careful, you know? Learn from my mistakes, if you will. You don't need to be super aggressive. And when I shave, I don't even chase BBS, bowling ball smooth, or some people call it baby butt smooth. I don't chase that. I just go in to have a nice shave and feel good about myself. Let's go ahead and throw on some Thayers. And now I'll go ahead and throw on some Nivea Aftershave Balm. Now let's finish off the entire shave with Vault Men EDP. All right, guys, there you have it. That shave felt fantastic. The aroma in here is amazing. The soap combined with this fragrance, outstanding. Both of them have like a citrusy, fresh smell to it. It's just beautiful. I can't wait to go out to the world and let everybody smell me. Anyway, my name is Chris, here for the Razor Company. You make it a great shave, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.